Shuja, what advice would you like to give to organizations starting on their journey to multi-cloud environment?
So actually, it won't be just an advice; it would be advices. I would always recommend everyone who is starting, their journey towards the multi-cloud. Always start small, rather than fully investing into the multi-cloud approach or maybe migrating your whole workload over there. So try to identify a non-critical workload initially that you can move around to another cloud provider, and start just with one cloud provider out there other than which you are currently using. Once you gain some confidence on with one service and maybe one workload, you can start adding more cloud providers to that, and make sure you always making decision based on performance and compute matrices that we have already mentioned. Other than that, I would always recommend have a security first mindset. Make sure that your implementation are ZTA, that is zero trust architecture based, and also centralized identity and access management for all access workload that you are providing to your users. And along with that, also make sure you are implementing multi-factor authentication along with that as well. Embrace automation. That is one of the very key role that plays a very key role in when it's come to managing your workload on the cloud, not just multi-cloud or even on a single cloud as well, but through automation strategies and tools and technologies, you can always make sure that everything that being rolled out to your production is being tested and reviewed and vetted before it going to release out there. ओके इसके बाद ब्रेक लेके बोल देता हूँ ठीक है एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू मॉनिटर एंड ऑप्टिमाइज कंटिन्यूसली डोंट बी समवन हु इज वेरी हेजिटेंट टू make changes to your infrastructure based on things that are being piled up on your monitoring dashboards. Make sure you are making active decision around that. Also, last but not least, invest in your team, in your skill set, train them to make sure they are up to the mark for managing their workload on the multi-cloud.